Okay, first thing I do is remove this cotter key, remove the drive, and check to make sure your shaft is turning in the right direction, and that means the wheels are turning forward, the shaft needs to turn forward. Then what I do is I hook it up and adjust the motor and stand, and then turn everything, make sure everything turns. Okay, now for doing the rear 2 rows, and you have to do this on both sides, first I check, make sure the rotation of my motor is going the correct way, and again that shaft has to turn the direction of your wheels. Alright, now I hook this up, and then I make sure that everything turns freely. And I usually can get this done, because you're only driving 2 rows here on this planter, without taking this sprocket off. We have the box removed just so you can see what we're doing here. We're going to remove this clamp, and that's why we have the ratcheting nut driver. And then remove the hose, and this is where you're going to use your binder clip, squeeze your binder clip, and attach that to catch the product when we're going to calibrate. So that's how this process works. So anyway, now we're going to put the box back on, and then we'll go ahead and calibrate. We've determined that we're going to be planting at 5.5 miles per hour, and we follow that on our speed chart, which comes down to 62 seconds, okay? We've got our shaft hooked up and driving in the correct position, and we're ready to, we set it on number 12. This is just an estimate, and what I usually do is start with 2 rows first to see how your calibration is, close the calibration is going to be. So we'll run it here now for 62 seconds. There we have it. We're at 62 seconds. Now we're going to check and see how much blank we caught. And what I do is shake it so it's level, and we want it to be at 1.9, and that's exactly where it's at. So number 12 on this row is the correct setting.